investment in knowledge pays the highest interest. And we have had many people here say that they are offering very high interest, but knowledge pays the highest interest. And I agree with you. This is why I am pleased to substitute for Dr. Skousen as we are talking about a very important subject of learning. Now, you probably are wondering, what in the heck is this doorstopper doing at a laissez-faire bookstore or an Investment U conference? And of course, the reason is this is considered by many as the Bible of security analysis. Now, of course, in my mind, I have always believed that he that gives up a little liberty to purchase a little security deserves neither liberty nor security. Nevertheless, this book is one that has sold over the years an updated version of a book by Benjamin Graham, who taught at Columbia University. However, for those of you who are not into voracious reading of tedious data, may I suggest an alternative investment in this book, The Intelligent Investor, which is Rick Rule's favorite book. The reason these two books are here is because Rick Rule recommends them, and I don't know if he's done so far in his numerous presentations, but nevertheless, these are the books that he recommends. So I would recommend you start with this book, and then if you're interested further, you may read this book, which is used as a textbook, by the way, in many graduate schools.